At Signode, safety and customer satisfaction are top priorities. Our ISO-certified plants carefully design, manufacture, assemble, and test all Signode hand tools to ensure that they meet strict performance requirements. And when you purchase Signode equipment, our sales representatives train your personnel to use and maintain the equipment correctly. This video will help educate you about personal protective equipment clothing, body positioning, proper strap cutting, tool maintenance, and joint inspection. It's extremely important that equipment operators wear protective clothing to prevent hand, eye, foot, and other injuries. Operators and bystanders must always wear safety glasses with side protectors. Operators must also wear protective gloves and steel-toe safety shoes. Loose clothing can get caught in equipment, so be sure to button shirt sleeves or roll them up tightly. Also maintain proper footing and balance to help prevent injuries, and be sure that the work area is well lit and uncluttered. Before operating any tool, read the operation and safety manuals. If after reading the manuals you have any questions regarding proper operating procedures, ask your sales representative for help. At the start of each day, check the tools for worn or broken parts. Perform daily joint inspections to ensure that the tool is sealing properly so that the strapping will effectively secure the load during normal transport, handling, and storage. The most commonly used joints to secure tension strap are down and reverse notches. Notch joints are made when the sealer cuts through the seal and strapping to form sets of tabs which are pushed down or up to lock the strap ends in place. Strapping can also be secured with an interlocking key sealless joint, which is formed by slitting the overlapping strap ends and pushing the bottom strap up through the top strap. An improperly formed joint which does not have good notches or interlocking keys could result in strap separation and the possibility of severe personal injury or death. Before moving any package, be certain that the joint is formed with good notches or interlocking keys as shown. If not, remove the strap and check the tool for worn or broken parts. Repair the tool before applying another strap. Never handle or ship a load with an improperly formed joint because the joint could fail and cause serious injury. If you are unaware of what the joint produced by your tools should look like, refer to the manual or call your Signode sales representative. When applying and handling strapping, always follow the proper strap handling procedures. Use only new strapping to secure loads. Used strapping, even though it may look satisfactory, could be damaged and may not securely hold the load. Also consider using edge protectors to prevent damage to the strapping as it's tensioned around sharp load corners. Remember to hold strapping securely near the free end and always reinsert the loose end of strapping into the dispenser strap holder. When tensioning strapping, always position yourself and bystanders to one side of the strapping to ensure that no one is in the direct line of the strap should it rebound unexpectedly. When removing strapping from a load, be sure to use the proper strap cutter and cutting techniques. Be aware that tension strap will rebound when cut, and an improperly stacked load may shift, causing a potentially hazardous situation. To prevent injuries, be sure that all bystanders are at a safe distance and that everyone is wearing safety glasses with side protectors. To cut vertically tensioned strap, always stand to one side of the strapping. Hold the strapping tightly against the package and cut the strapping below the hold. The energy released as the strapping is cut will cause the strap end to rebound downward away from you. For removal of horizontally tensioned strap, again stand to one side of the strapping. Hold the strapping tightly against the package and cut the strapping on the side of the hold opposite your body. The strap end will rebound away from you. If you're using a strap cutter that requires the use of two hands, stand to the side and cut the strap. The energy released as the strap is cut will cause both strap ends to fly outward. After the strapping is cut, do not toss it on the floor. Dispose of it using designated disposal containers. These simple strap handling precautions will help prevent injury to yourself and others. Now that you know how to safely operate and maintain hand tools and handle strapping, you should also be aware of some common misuses of the equipment that can cause serious injuries. The following are examples of how not to use strapping and hand tools. Don't ever modify a Signode tool. For example, never insert a pipe extension over the tensioning handle to provide a mechanical advantage. Such alterations make the tools unsafe to use, especially when working in an awkward or elevated position where you could lose your balance and fall. Strapping and seals are designed to secure loads during normal shipping and handling, not for lifting or pulling the load, which could result in serious personal injury. Instruct all employees and your customers on the proper methods for handling strapped loads. Never drive nails through strapping. Doing so will weaken the strapping and could cause the nails to ricochet. If steel strapping must be nailed, use Signode pre-punch strapping. Use only cutters specifically designed for cutting strap. Claw hammers, crowbars, axes, and similar tools will cause tension strap to fly apart with hazardous force. By avoiding these dangerous practices and always following the safety guidelines for clothing, body positioning, strap cutting, tool maintenance, and joint inspection, you will reduce the chance of injury while working with Signode hand tools and strapping. Be sure that all operators view this video prior to using any Signode tool.